All right, so I got this Lexus for a wheel restoration from Joshua Motor Cars, and Ryan just backed it out of the shop, and it's sitting in the sun. New finish. These were all curb rashed. Now they look amazing. The car needs to be cleaned. The wheels look better than the car. Not in the sun. So this vehicle here, the wheels were curved before, and they were refinished in certain areas. I wouldn't even say refinished. I would say touched up in certain areas. You can see where they knocked down the finish and then sprayed over them. So it is very common today with people that have high profile cars or nicer cars. If they get a wheel that's damaged, to go and get it repaired. Repaired isn't usually replaced. It's, you know, a wheel restoration, or a wheel guy comes out and touches it up or fixes it. So by the time I see it, it's either been done once or they're just so bad that they need to be completely stripped down to nothing. But this came out really nice. I'm gonna get back to work.